Hey everybody, this is Michael Pavlovich, and for this series we'll be covering the article ZBrush 4R8 New Features Sci-Fi Energy Gun, featured in NCG Magazine issue number 32, which is compiled from my PavMic livestream channel. We'll start off with reference images, spotlight painting, masking, and extraction as a way to get a quick block out of your weapon done in seconds. We'll then use ZModeler to define some basic shapes, then discuss other methods for base shape creation, including the extraction mesh refining, Dynamesh sculpting and resurfacing, and dynamic subdivisions and creasing. We'll go in depth into the live Boolean system in ZBrush, in conjunction with all the other ZBrush features we've covered up to this point, as well as other built-in functionality such as Ray Mesh and UV Master. We'll discuss different ways to detail your mesh, including primitive initialized properties and subtractive meshes when we do the barrel rifling, multi-alpha brushes, live Boolean subtractive meshes, vector and text 3D, vector displacement meshes, and the chisel brush. We'll then get this asset ready to put into your real-time engine of choice, first by filling our object with material IDs in ZBrush, and then we'll break up our weapon for baking and animation purposes. We'll reduce our object down to a reasonable poly count, go into Maya and average our vertex normals, UV, and layout, and then finally baking in Substance Painter. We'll spend the rest of our time in Substance Painter applying our materials, painting decals and emissive details, previewing our renders in iRay, and then discussing procedurals and filters to add custom dirt, and finally ending with height and normal stamping of your details. It's a lot to cover, so let's get started.